Now, BJP President JP Nadda today tweeted an old video of Rahul Gandhi. The Congress leader in his video is seen advocating rights of the farmers to sell farm produce directly to corporates. The video tweeted by BJP shows Rahul Gandhi making the statement on the floor of the Lok Sabha. Nadda claimed that Rahul is opposing the same sets of farmers' reforms which he once advocated. The BJP chief further added that Rahul is motivated by partisan politics and doesn't have interest of the farmers in mind.
कुछ साल पहले यूपी में मेरा दौरा था और एक किसान ने मुझसे सवाल पूछा, मेरे पास आया और उसने कहा, राहुल जी आप एक बात हमें समझाइए, हम आलू बेचते हैं 2 रुपए किलो, मगर जब हमारे बच्चे चिप्स खरीदते हैं तो 10 रुपए का पैकेट आता है, उसमें 1 आलू होता है। और किसान ने मुझसे पूछा, आप हमें बताइए ये क्या जादू हो रहा है। और मैंने उन किसानों से पूछा, आपको क्या लगता है इसका कारण क्या है। और उन्होंने कहा कि राहुल जी इसका कारण यह है कि जो फैक्ट्रियां बनती हैं वो हमारे से दूर होती हैं। अगर हम डायरेक्टली अपना माल फैक्ट्री में बेच पाते तो जो बीच में से लोग पैसा ले जाते हैं बिचौले, उनको फायदा नहीं होगा और पूरा पैसा हमें मिलेगा।
Now here's what Rahul Gandhi had said when he went on to meet the president on December 24th against farm laws.
मैंने कोरोना के बारे में बोला था कि नुकसान होने जा रहा है। उस समय किसी ने नहीं बात सुनी और आज मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं, किसान के सामने, मजदूर के सामने कोई भी शक्ति नहीं खड़ी हो सकती है। अगर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कानून वापस नहीं लिए, सिर्फ बीजेपी को नहीं, सिर्फ आरएसएस को नहीं, देश को नुकसान होने जा रहा है।
Cutting across to Aishwarya Paliwal reporting live from Delhi. Aishwarya, Rahul Gandhi's double standards or double speak is what has been displayed by the BJP while they pull out an old video of Rahul Gandhi speaking on farmers' reforms. A lot of them that what the new farm laws have in place now speaks the entire opposite, of course taking up for the farmers. What does this really, how does this project the opposition there entirely?
Well, what the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to do is pull out old videos, and this is not the first time that such a video has come to the fore. We also saw a couple of weeks back how a similar video of Sonia Gandhi was also pulled out. It was trending on social media. Something similar was said by Manmohan Singh too. So the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP, now trying to send a clear signal, trying to tell the farmers also that those opposition parties who at the moment are opposing these new farm laws were a couple of years back advocating these laws, but they were not able to do so. The BJP very clearly saying these farm laws will be helpful to the farmers, and the opposition parties are now trying to mislead the farmers, which is why we are seeing JP Nadda coming out and tweeting an old video of Rahul Gandhi where what he is saying is exactly what the new farm laws are all about. Back to you.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us with those details, Aishwarya. Now, farmers' protests there. In the meanwhile, enters...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.